Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In case you're watching for the first time, my name is Gloria. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for all your subscriptions. You're my real fan. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Today I'm going to be showing you how I retouch or relax my hair myself. There's some things you just don't want to waste money on. Even though my hair is short, doesn't matter. I've been retouching my hair for years. You may notice that my hair is short at the back. It was due to the style I was barbing before I started growing my hair again. I was barbing punk kind of hair. The back was always short, so I didn't bother leveling it before I started making my hair again. So I'm just showing you the root for you to see that the root is due, even though the tips look relaxed. There's some of us who cannot keep our natural hair because it gets so thick and not easy to comb. I am going to be using this relaxer. It has no name. I got it from Nigeria, and I'm going to be using this coconut oil for my edges, and we'll be using this shampoo just to wash, to rinse off the relaxer and my hair conditioner. Gel also, this gel is just to keep the hair strong, and I'll be using this clip-on wigs just to make it look nicer, but that's not the point of the video. So I'm just going to show you how I retouch my hair myself. It is very easy. You need to use your glove just to protect your finger. I'm going to be putting the coconut oil at the tip of my hair all around just to keep my edges protected. It's not mandatory. You can use any relaxer you want. I've not gotten the relaxer I like to use when I got here, but I got this from Nigeria, and I don't know, somehow it didn't come with me. I think it should be Ozone. Just use any relaxer that you have, is fine, it's perfect. Just to show you the method, how easy it is. You don't need to waste your money on it, especially during this lockdown. So I'm just going to part the hair into easy parting, just to make it smaller parts, like divide it into 4, 6, whatever is easy for you. I'm going to be dividing my hair into 3, 2 at the front and 1 at the back. That's me just matting it together to prevent it from going into my hands while I maneuver the other ones. Repeat the method around into tiny bits, and that's you done. I'm about to start applying the relaxer into my hair. That is what it looks like inside. Sorry, my hair is dripping with oil from the coconut oil. I didn't feel it was dripping, but it doesn't make any change anyway, just from the oil I applied initially, but sorry about that. So just continue, start applying the relaxer into the hair. It doesn't have to be perfect, but with time, when you finish applying it around you, when you begin to mix the hair together, you'll be able to get all the parts you've mixed out. Now I'm going to be using my tail comb, a comb that has a tiny tail, to cut the hair and to apply the relaxer in between. You don't need to use a comb. I prefer to use my fingers, but I'm going to be showing you this technique of using the comb. Just cut the hair into lines and begin to apply your relaxer. Don't worry about missing any part out. When you later on, you're going to try to still mix the hair together, and the relaxer will go round. Especially if your hair is longer than mine, you may miss out some part. But because it's the back, I can't see very well, but it will still do what it's supposed to do. Keep adding the relaxer and making sure you mix the hair together, and for it to be able to circulate the relaxer around. Continue repeating the same method until you're through. Once you finish applying the relaxer to each segment, make sure you run your fingers through all the segment to make sure the relaxer goes round under the roots. You don't need to apply to the tip, but because my hair is short, it has touched the tip of the hair. But at the front, I will make sure my relaxer does not touch the tip of the hair, because the tip are relaxed already. What I need to concentrate on is just the roots. I'm using my finger here because it's faster for me and it's easier. I'm just going to repeat the same process. Put the relaxer in my hand, cut a little segment of the hair, apply the relaxer, and mix the relaxer into the hair. That's it. Just keep doing that until you're finished. Segment, just repeat what you did at the back. Use your finger to run through the hair and to mix the relaxer with the hair properly, and to ensure you've reached all the side of the hair. You see, I'm leaving out the tip of my hair because that tip is relaxed from the previous relaxed side I had before. So I'm not touching the tip right now. Later on, if your hand touches the tip, is fine, but at the beginning you don't want your finger to touch the tip. So I'm just doing the same thing to make sure the relaxer has gone round, because you don't want half of your hair to be relaxed and the other half not relaxed. So I'm just doing everything just the same method. Then I'm going to now comb my hair. Some people prefer to use the tiny comb to comb, but I don't see any reason why I should. It's just the same thing. Comb the hair through just to make sure it's stretched and to make it easy even for you to maneuver. I'm going to put all together now. Run my hand through all the hair again. If there's need to add relaxer, put more relaxer on your hand and just run it through your hair. That's me combing the hair just to make sure all the relaxer has gone through. And I'm going to be leaving it for a while for the relaxer to sit in and to do its work. I still have some relaxer left. You see, I've not even used half of the relaxer I had. So I'm just going to go away from the camera. I'm going to wash my hair with my coconut hair conditioner and the shampoo. And here I am, I'm back. My hair is all washed, it's clean. When you just need to wash with the hair conditioner, then the shampoo, make sure it's clean, make sure you don't have any relaxer in it, and that is it. And I'm just going to dry my hair with my hand dryer. Make sure it's well dried, because you don't want to have the wet look. If you want to, you can leave it, but for me, I want it to be dry. Just dry. I'm going to be using my comb to comb the hair and to keep drying, so the hair will be straightened, because I don't want it to be coily. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you're very good at doing by yourself. I've seen people who can wonderfully braid their hair themselves. Some people make their own dresses. What is that talent you're very good at? Just share in the comment section below. For me, I just prefer to do my hair at home by myself. It's easier and it doesn't cost much. Just what you need is just your relaxer and your hair conditioner and whatever you're used to having before, and then you can trust your own products, because in the salon you don't know what they're going to be using on your own hair. And so except you're going to the salon with your own hair, and there's no need to go to the salon if you can retouch your own hair yourself. So just drop a comment, let me know what's that good talent you have and you're very proud of. Once the hair is almost dried, I will use my coconut oil into my hair just to oil the hair, and I'm going to blow dry it again to melt the oil into the hair just to make it softer and smoother. put the hair into one, it's okay, even though, like I said initially, the back of my hair is shorter than the front of my hair because of the previous hairstyle I was barbing before I started growing my hair some months ago. So I'm just going to put it into one, then I'll apply my gel into my hair just to hold it down for my clip-on wig that I'm going to be using today. If you don't want to put up your hair, it's fine. As long as it's retouched, that's just the main point. But today I'm going to put in my clip-on that I got earlier on from Amazon. I'm going to be clipping it on my hair, and that will be all for my hairstyle today. Put on more gel, and as long as you're comfortable, that is it. You can use any gel of your choice. That is my wig, my clip-on wig I got from Amazon. It's very easy. It has it's 2 in 1 pack. It has its own clip-on kind of comb inside. You just put it into your hair and you're good to go. That's it. I'll just put it over my hair like this, and I'm good to go. I'm going to have my makeup on, and you're going to see the end result. If you want the edges, that's good. For me, I'm not so perfect with edges. That's all I can do, but I'm okay with what I've got. Just going to put on my makeup, and you'll see how beautiful it turns out. If you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly press the red subscribe button down below to support my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all your love. That's the end result. Thank you for watching.